Welcome back to the Summer Rain channel. Today we're going to make part 3 of our Oreo soap. So I did this one with two different designs. I did one with the Oreo on the side, and you can see it's already shrink wrapped here. And the second one I did the Oreo on the top. Go ahead and comment below and let me know if you like the one on the side better or the one on the top. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our soap. What you're going to need is the Oreo cookies that you made in video 1. Put them off to the side for now. Your loaf mold that you made in video 2. Melt and pour soap. Shea butter. Vegetable glycerin. And your whipped soap base. Go ahead and put your whipped soap base into a bigger container so we have enough room to mix everything up. Add your vegetable glycerin and then go ahead and mix it all up. So we're just mixing this until we get a nice fluffy consistency. Then you take your melt and pour and shea butter, melt it, and add it to the mixture. And then we're going to go ahead and mix this. We want it about the consistency of a frosting. And then you're going to go ahead and add it to your piping bag and start piping.